Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing of the Dragon NFX2 for snowboarding. We can see here, these are the black Lumalens polarized. We got serial number 17026. You got this nice box, honeycomb, which is a hexagon shape. Very nice. You can see here, it's the winner of the 2015-2016 ISPO award. So these are really good goggles. So let's open this up here. See what we got. We got the velvet pouch for them in here. We got goggle warranty information. And we have instructions on the patented frameless lens technology on how to unlock and lock the lens. There's a lever, and the goggle lens just comes out. This is one of the features that I really liked about this goggle lens. And then we just have a base in here. Let's put this important information back in the box. And let's unwrap these guys up. So let's put this back in here. See what we got. We got 2 drawstrings. Very nice velvet material. You can see the Dragon logo is embedded. Very nice material. You can already see we have a second, we got a main pouch in here for the goggles and a second pouch for the spare lens that normally comes with the NFX2. I did not get that model. So here it is, nice cover, very good packaging. Unwrap it, and there they are. So you can see polarized. We can see here, here's the lever. So it's in the lock position is down, unlock is up. Got the nice little Dragon logo. You also got the honeycomb silicone within the strap to hold onto your helmet. I see 3 levels of foam in this. So we got this one, or a ventilation. So we got a vent here, here, and here. We also got some nice little venting underneath. You can also see there's a piece of foam underneath this honeycomb design up here too. You can see here they got a tag for the Lumalens optimized color technology polarized. And here, let's see what looking through the lens kind of looks like. You can see here. So these look like great goggles. The strap is nice and thick, strong. The lens looks nice. Quality looks fantastic. You know, I tried these goggles on and before in store, and at my local store, and I really like them for the frameless design. I also loved, you know, the mechanics of just lifting this up, changing out the lenses and whatnot. So I'm pretty excited for these. I'm really excited about the quality of these, and I'm going to test them out tomorrow at Mount Hood Meadows in Oregon. So maybe I'll give an update then, but just want to say thanks for watching, and this is the Dragon NFX2 and polarized lens. Thanks, you guys.